Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we are going to see about the process government canteen confirmation system, which is an Android application. Then comes the abstract of the process government canteen confirmation system. The police unit canteen system was maintained by manual and web-based process. This system was helpful and it is developed as an Android application. So the stock details in the canteen and users of the canteen are all maintained by an authorized person admin. And also user can use canteen facility using this app by getting authorization from the admin. Once user enroll them in our app, admin will give access to use canteen by sending access message to their registered phone number and set amount limit for each user. Admin can add stock details and view stock details. And also user can view their remaining balance. Once they purchased any product, the balance amount assigned to their account will be get reduced. These will be set regarding to the rank of the every police department section. And so based on this the amount limit was set, and also user can view the balance details, and also admin can view the purchase history of each user. Then comes the flow diagram of the process. So the flow diagram shows our process diagrammatically. So there are two persons, one is admin and another one is user. Admin is an authorized person who maintains all the details about the canteen, and user is the person who can register in the system and buy their products. So first user should enroll to access the system. After enrollment, admin should give access to the users. So the access is given to the user via SMS. And once the user get access, the user can log in into the process. They can view the products and buy the products. And after getting the access, user will get asset some amount limit to buy the products, and the amount limit will be set by the admin based on their rank in the police department. So then admin will give access to the user, that is one of the process, and admin will add and view stocks. So the stock details will be added by category wise, and quantity and price of the product will be added, and the product added by the admin will be viewed by the user. So after viewing the products, user can buy the products, and based on the cost, the particular amount will be reduced from their balance amount. And also they can view the balance details, and admin can view the user buying details, the details of the all user purchase details. Then comes the running procedure of the process government canteen confirmation system. So this process was developed in the Android Eclipse. So you have to load the code in the Android Eclipse and build it and run. So the process consumes SMS data. So we have to load the app in mobile phone. So once we launch the app, the app launch in the mobile screen. So this is the home screen. Just we have to click here. So this is the next main page. So there is two categories, admin and the user. So we have to first, as a buyer, that is the user, you have to register. So click here. So this is the login and the registration page for the user. So the new user, so registration. So this is the registration page. So we have to give the details, and the ID will be generated automatically, and when clicking register, the process will be get registered. So these are the details. So once I click register, the ID will be generated and registered successfully. So by using this username and password, you have to log in. But if you log in before getting access to the admin, so it will say that access not provided. So we have to first register, and once the admin access, then will be we can log in. So log in. So access not given by admin. So the access is still not given by admin. So we have to admin login page, and we have to give access. So this is the admin login page. So admin username password login. So here we have to click access to users. So this is the registered name detail. So we have to just click the name of the user and the name and the mobile number will display. If you provide access, it will be sent to the mobile number. So if now they login means the login will get success. Login success, and these are the categories, product categories in the canteen. So for that we admin have to add stock details. So this is the admin stock adding page. So here we have to select any of the category and give the details of the product to add stock. So these are the stock details, and I added the stock details. Viewed. The stock added details can be viewed by the admin. So these are the details of the stock. So here we have to click food and medicine. So by clicking this, it will produce the details. So here we have to just enter the quantity which we are going. We have to enter the detail number of product we are going to buy. So here I am giving 5 and buying the product. So it shows the remaining balance in my account. So by checking view balance, so it shows the balance amount. So this is the page where admin view the buying details. So that's all about process. Thanks.